Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking a little bit about mushrooms, how to select them and how to store them when you get them home. Obviously, when you're picking out mushrooms at the grocery store, you want ones that look fresh and bright and clean without dark spots on them. You don't want them looking moldy or slimy or moisture. That's one thing in particular to watch for when you're choosing mushrooms. Make sure there's no sign of moisture in the package. Mushrooms have a lot of water content in them, and as they age they will tend to release some of that moisture, and that will make them go bad pretty quickly, and they'll get slimy and not very desirable. So assuming that you've picked out some really fresh looking mushrooms, when you bring them home, before you put them in the refrigerator, make sure that the original packaging, if you want to store them in that, make sure that there are air holes in that. If not, if they're tightly wrapped in plastic, poke some air holes in there so that the mushrooms can breathe, and that will help to keep the water from accumulating in the packaging. If you want to do something different, you could take them out of the original packaging from the grocery store and put them in a paper bag. Don't seal them up too tightly, leave it kind of loose, put them in the refrigerator. That paper bag will allow some air to flow around the mushrooms. It will help to actually absorb some of the moisture that might be released by them along the way. And that may help to keep them a little bit longer than if they were tightly wrapped in plastic. Since they do have a high water content and they tend to release that water as they sit and as they age, they don't really keep for very long. You want to use them as quickly as you possibly can, but keeping them with a lot of airflow around them will help to preserve them just a little bit longer in the refrigerator. Well, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.